In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Eventbrite accounts. Let's set expectations right away. Eventbrite does not support merging accounts. Their official stance is clear that there isn't a way to combine two separate accounts into one. But you still have solid options to get everything under control and reduce confusion going forward. The first and most reliable approach is to move everything to a single account. Pick the account you want to keep long-term, then sign in there and use it as your home base. Recreate or manage your events in this one place so all new activity lives together. If multiple people need access, don't try to share logins. Instead, invite them as team members within your organization so they can help manage events without needing any kind of merge. This keeps permissions clean and gives you a central source of truth. Another practical workaround is to change the email on one account so it effectively transfers that email identity to the account you're keeping. Sign in to the account you want to keep, open account settings, choose change email, enter the email address from the other account, and save your changes. Think of this as moving the email to the account you're consolidating around. It does not merge histories or data. It just changes which account owns that email. There's one important rule. The email you enter cannot already be tied to another Eventbrite account. If it is, you'll need to close that other account first before the change will go through. Before you make any changes, make sure you can access the inbox for verification and consider exporting any reports you still need. For teams, a great alternative to merging is simply adding users. Go to your organization settings, add the other email as a team member, and assign the right role, such as admin or co-organizer. This provides shared control of events and settings without combining accounts. It's cleaner, safer, and easier to manage over time. A quick reality check before we finish. Even with these workarounds, events themselves can't be merged, orders and tickets can't be combined, and followers or historical data will remain separate. Plan to keep legacy information where it currently lives and run everything new from your chosen primary account. That's it. Consolidate to one account, change an email if needed, or add team members for shared access. With a clear primary account and the right roles, you'll avoid duplicate work and keep your Eventbrite setup organized.